Well, a patient experience is very important to me because I want to feel welcomed when I come into a place. I want to feel like that everybody is competent in what they're doing so that I feel secure and I feel comfortable. That relaxation makes my test or whatever I'm facing a lot easier because they have made me comfortable to begin with. I just think that it's a good idea to do the best we can every time.
It's important to share why you're having a delay because when people come to the emergency room, it's usually not a good day. And my emergency and your emergency and their emergency are all probably going to be different. And even though, some of us think, well, a toothache is not as bad as a gash in the head, to the person with the toothache, it very well may be. So when you get delays and you don't let them know what's going on, they get frustrated, they get aggravated, and they want to leave. And we don't want that. We want everybody to be taken care of. So it's important because you need to keep them informed what's going on, that we do recognize that you're here. We acknowledge you're here. We acknowledge your emergency, and we will be taking care of you. There may be a delay because something is a little bit more life-threatening, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to care for you or your loved one in the way that it should be.
Them to have a good experience. I want them to be able to come back and to spread the word and have a good relationship with the facility.
Duration is important for the EVS standpoint for the patients to have their healing time so we can be in and out in a timely manner.
It's very important because everybody will be sitting in their beds wondering, when their food is going to be there. And if you're on top of it and say, I'm sorry about the delay, and it'll be right up and we can make it right.
It's important to let the patient know about any delays because it just reduces their anxiety. I'm impatient, so I want to know what's going on. I want to know why it's taking 30 minutes to get a test done. So I think just keeping them informed and communicating with them just reduces the anxiety that they have. Explaining the duration of a procedure is important because they just know what to expect. They know if it's going to be a 5-minute test or an hour test because sometimes if a test takes a little bit longer, they get anxiety thinking something's wrong. So if they kind of know that it's going to be 30 minutes to an hour, then they just know what to expect.
The patient experience is important to us around here, especially in security, because we want to make sure we keep everybody safe in this environment. They're coming here for health care to get well, so we want to make sure that they can concentrate on that, not worry about, anything else that's going on around here.
It doesn't matter whether we're at a hospital or a restaurant or where we are, no one likes to wait. If we tell them that it's going to be a half an hour and then it ends up being 20 minutes, then they're happy with us. So duration's very important that we communicate that with our patients.
When we come in, of course, we're all a little nervous or what, and anticipating, surgery or whatnot. And everybody's just very friendly here, and they just tell you everything you need to know. Like I say, the process is very smooth without hitches. I think that makes a big difference for me. Everybody's very professional and knowledgeable, and that's very important to me, especially for something like this. So.
Pues me dieron muy buen servicio desde el principio, todo muy bien, las enfermeras, excelente. Pues la verdad sentí yo que fue muy rápido, sí, en los pasos que me dieron, verdad, fue muy rápido en todo.
2 weeks ago I spent a week in this hospital. I sure enjoyed it. Everybody's real nice to me.
The duration of time of patient access is important because we want to make sure that we give you a full explanation of what's going on. Wait times are a big goal. We want to make sure that when you come in here, you're getting the service that you need in a timely manner. If there's something that may have that delay, then we want to make sure that you're informed of that so that you know why you're waiting. You don't feel that you're forgotten. We want it to be the best experience and you to know the whole entire time what's going on.